Let's start cooking this easy and delicious comfort food. Add 1 kilogram to medium onion to 100 grams, finely sliced. Add 6 cups of water. Add 3 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Add 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of red chili powder, 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric, and 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. Mix it well. Add 1/2 cup of oil. Bring it to boil. Thoroughly clean for potatoes, remove any potential spots, and add to the pot. The reason to add unpeeled potatoes is to prevent unnecessary starch mix into gravy. Cover and cook for 40 minutes on medium-low heat, till the meat is tender, but halfway through take out potatoes. Keep cooking the meat covered till it becomes tender. Check if meat is tender. Keep cooking without lid till the liquid evaporates, on medium-high heat. Meantime, peel potatoes and cut into small squares. Set aside. Cook the meat till oil separates in medium-high heat. Add 4 cups of water depending how much liquid you like in gravy. Add potatoes. Add 6 green chilies and 1/4 cup of chopped cilantro. Now add 1 teaspoon of garam masala and adjust the salt according to your taste. Mix well. Cover and cook for 15 more minutes on low heat till the oil comes on gravy. Delicious meat potato gravy is ready to serve. Enjoy with your favorite naan bread. Subscribe for more recipes like this. Thanks for watching.